For decades, the Ninja name has defined the entry-level sport bike category. Today, a new chapter begins with the Kawasaki Ninja 500. It steps into the legendary shoes of the Ninja 400, promising more power, more refinement, and a presence that demands attention. From its aggressive front cowling to the piercing LED headlights, the design language is clearly inspired by its larger ZX siblings. The lines are sharper, the stance more aerodynamic, and every curve suggests a machine built for speed and agility. Underneath the fairings lies the heart of this beast, a new 451cc parallel twin engine, engineered for a broader torque curve. This isn't just a bored-out 400. It's a refined powerhouse designed to deliver effortless acceleration across the entire rev range. Equipped with an assist and slipper clutch, gear transitions are smoother than ever, reducing wheel hop during aggressive downshifts. On the road, that power translates to confidence. The 6-speed transmission clicks through gears with surgical precision. In the urban jungle, the Ninja 500 proves its versatility. It's light, flickable, and perfectly balanced for navigating dense traffic. The ergonomics are a masterclass in compromise, sporty enough for the track, yet comfortable enough for the daily commute. But take it to the mountains, and the bike truly wakes up. The chassis provides incredible feedback through every corner. The tires bite into the asphalt, giving the rider the confidence to push harder while maintaining absolute stability. Technology takes center stage with the high-contrast TFT display, providing all essential data at a single glance. Connectivity is seamless via the Rideology app, allowing you to track your riding logs and receive notifications directly on the dash. Safety is never an afterthought. The advanced ABS sensors ensure controlled stopping power, even in challenging conditions. The craftsmanship is evident in the details, from the premium metallic paint to the intricate stitching on the saddle. How does it stack up against the competition? When compared to the Yamaha R3 or the Honda CBR 500R, the Ninja offers a unique edge. Its lightweight trellis frame provides a level of rigidity and feel that is hard to match in this displacement class. In acceleration tests, the extra displacement gives the Ninja 500 a clear advantage, pulling away with a linear and predictable power delivery. The verdict? The Ninja 500 isn't just a replacement, it's an evolution. It's the ultimate package for beginners and veterans alike. It captures the spirit of the Ninja legacy, while embracing the future of motorcycling technology and performance. So, is this your next ride? The Ninja 500 stands ready to take you to the next level. The road is waiting. Kawasaki has once again set the bar. Experience the new era of the Ninja. Ride on.